So finishing up, some of the key takeaways. You want to start with repetitive time-consuming tasks. They're always the easiest to automate, and normally they don't take that much complex judgment. Communication and content offer the highest return on investment. Writing things like emails, doing meeting minutes, and things like that. They are probably going to save you the most amount of time. You want to always maintain human oversight. So AI augments, it doesn't replace. And remember, the 80-20 rule always applies. 80% AI, 20% human. You want to build a prompt library. You can start on that. And this will, basically you want to save the prompts that are going to work for you and they're going to increase your efficiency over time. You want to measure your time savings and the return on your investment. So these are good to not only demonstrate value, but also to show your colleagues, that adopting these tools might be a good idea. And quality control is non-negotiable. So review all outputs before use. Okay, everything should be reviewed. Nothing should leave without being reviewed first. And then you want to scale gradually. You go from individual to team to organization. And again, if you can share your successes and develop standards, then you're going to enable the rest of your team and your organization to be able to scale up with you. So this is, an action plan that you can follow over the next 2 to 3 months. And we've already talked, about the 30-day action plan. So just leave that there as a checklist for yourself. Some sample prompts that can get you started. Meeting request email, a report outline, and data summary. I'm not going to go through them, just leave them there again, that you can copy and edit as you please. Okay, so to finish off, now that we have looked at the basics, we've looked at the tools, we started to look at how can we automate some things. Just remember that AI is a tool that amplifies your capabilities. Okay, so it's going to increase the ability for you to, the speed in which you can do things and the volume in which you can process things. So you want to start small and build confidence. Focus on meaningful time savings. Okay, there's no point in focusing on something that a task you're only going to do once in a blue moon. Quality and ethics should always come first. There's the EU AI Act that is coming, that is going to be implemented very soon, and this is essentially going to be put in the quality and the human in the loop, and the ethics are going to be enshrining that in law. So this is something that you always need to be careful of. And the goal is more time for high value work. Okay, so you basically want to get these repetitive, monotonous tasks off your desk, give it to the AI, and then all you have to do is review its work. So the automation journey is ongoing. Okay, as you can see, it's an iterative process. These tools are improving constantly, so they're coming out with new features, better capabilities. So your skills will have to develop over time as well. You want to share knowledge with your community and stay curious and keep experimenting, because that's the only way to learn about these new tools. As they say, the best time to start automating was yesterday, but the second best time is today. So why not get started today? Okay, that's everything. Some of the things that you can do now is you can implement your 30-day plan. You could join AI communities, continue your learning and experimenting, and please take our feedback survey if you could, and let us know what you thought of the course. We're going to look at the Gen AI case studies, a simple case study next, and that will finish us up for the entire course. So hopefully it has been helpful, and hopefully you have got a lot more information that you can use now to help you grow your business and improve your business processes and make them more efficient. Okay, thanks for listening.